Guys, Sinister the Drone Network coming at you. I had an itch to fly the Bugs B2W today, and I'm going to take her up and just waiting to acquire satellites here.
Right here?
Outside. Now. Outside. I'm right here. They're not supposed to be in the house. All of you, outside.
My dad's right.
Sorry about that. Alright. Let's get her up in the air here. Fun times. I've got family in, so I'm stuck home with all these kids right now. Alright, she seems pretty stable. Got her right up above me, guys. I'll take a quick pan around, let her stabilize out a little bit. Sun's just about down. You should not see it here. Get out of my truck. Get out of my truck. Jack, get out of my truck now. All right, let's take her up some more here. Just kind of looking to see where the boys are at here. Okay. All right, let's take her down the block here. Lake over there. It's my subdivision right below you're looking at. And let's bring her back this way. Actually, if you look straight down, that's my neighbor's house. Right up above me here. All right, let's turn her around and come down a little bit here. That is the Ouachita River that you're looking at there. I'm 3 blocks off of it there, which is part of the lake. That's just a channel. It goes back around and opens up there. A lot of mountains. I said we're surrounded by mountains here in Hot Springs. It's definitely what you can see off there in the distance. We're basically in a big bowl is what we are. 360 degrees of mountains. All right, let's come down some more. Lots of trees on my block here, so I'm just trying to dodge around them if you see the camera shaking a lot. Okay, pretty much right above me here. It's pretty stable today, 16 satellites. Can't complain about that. You can see I'm pretty much standing still, and I have to do a year review on this thing for everybody. In December 27th, I will have had it for a year. So, very cool. Yeah. Okay, let's zip down the block here. Mason, what is your problem? Hey, Carter, I think you're being called down there. All right. Sorry about that, guys. I'm off my phone. Oh, LBC. I'm gonna bring her down right here. All right, let's kill the recording.